Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to cover some really beautiful piece of price action from earlier today. It was on mainly on YM and indices. It was just beautiful. So let's look and see what happened. All right, so first things first, let's start with the monthly. We can see that we took out this monthly high, and if you come to the other side, NQ and ES came a bit short. We have this SMT here, so they're clearly weaker, right? Then onto the daily chart. What do we see here? We can see this current week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday. All right, so we have a daily swing here, right? Takes out the high, closes back inside the range, and this day hasn't happened yet. Let's okay. All right, so this is how the day closes with these failure swings here. Right, begging to be taken. At the start of the week, we have no clear established low of week. That's the weekly low. That's Monday's low, right there. And the price just opens, trades up on YM. Price opens, trades up, takes out previous month's high. Keep that in mind. And then today, the daily candle just opens, comes all the way down to these lows. Doesn't take them. ES did take this one, right? ES took that. Let's see, where is it? It's right here. So that's why, like, I was kind of undecided. I'm like, okay, let's just see what happens. But then NASDAQ coming to all these lows, not taking them, I don't know, I was just iffy. Then what happens? Price trades up into this hourly order block, right? Into Wednesday's order block, yesterday's high, and reacts. Comes down, times it 7, 8, 9. All right, let's go to the 30-minute chart. All right, so that's the low of week. So here, still undecided, don't want to do anything. What I want is, if we're gonna go higher, take these highs and take all these highs over here, like YM did, then it would be at 9:30. We have no news, so 9:30 is the only relevant driver. Take these lows. It's 9 o'clock, waiting for 9:30 to open. 9:30 opens, and candle looks like this. Comes all the way down to this low, does not take. ES hasn't taken it either, right? By 9:30, it's still up here somewhere, there, here. So what this candle is basically doing is just inducing people to traders into entering into long positions a little too early. If you look on the 5-minute, just come down, fail to take it, reverse back out into this fair value gap. You have this 5-minute order block. Right, hits that, gives a fake continuation signature with this low still over here, and then dumps into it. All right, so we failed to reverse here, right? And on YM, let's go back here on the hourly candle, hourly chart, or the 30-minute. Let's find 9:30. That's 9:30 right here. Okay. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Okay, 8:30. All right, so if we're gonna reverse, right, it would be at 9:30. This does not look like a reversal candle. Initially, if you look on the 3-minute, it kind of does look like a reversal candle. It looks like he just, you know, ran some local low. Right, has this confirmation of reversal, but you know, not convincing. So what you're looking for is a continuation signature. Run up, SMT with this hourly high, right there. And then just deep back towards this low. This is not a reversal, right? This is just, you don't know what this is. So you're just still waiting. There, he just ran these low as well. Okay, can we reverse here? Let's see. Still a lot of wicks. All right, by now it's almost 10 o'clock. It's been about 20 minutes and price has failed to reverse. All right, now you're printing reversal signatures. And NQ has, looks like this, right? On a higher time frame on YM, what you're looking for is 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. just opens here, makes a run up. Again, SMT here. I think ES takes out this high, that. And then confirmation of reversal of the 10 a.m. candle here. You can see that the wick has formed. Now, you want to short. Where are you going to go? First target is your daily fair value gap. Right there. You have your, you could mark it here if risk reward allows it. Let's see if it does actually. If you were to mark it here, 194, so you would put it on the limit, or you would have to move the stop, which not something I ever do, especially with YM. So then limit puts you in the trade and then immediately dumps. There you go. So 30 minutes you already partialed out. Now, if you're going to reverse here, then what you want to do is you want to chop, right? Run this low and then start trading higher. So you would watch on the 5 minutes, for example, what is happening on the 5 minute. Tap into this fair value gap at the end of the previous hour and then provide this next continuation signature. That's like another trade in and out of itself, right? Target 2R or next level of liquidity. But if you look here, it's just like one giant move. You don't know where price needs to go. In cases like that, what I like to do is I like to just take the whole range, right? And then mark out the 0.5. Like that. Back to the 15 minute. So if you're adding positions or re-entering or trailing or whatever you're doing, next logical point is here. Is there a swing? I mean, yeah, bunch of failure swings. You know, some of these have to go, if not all of it. I'll be surprised if this doesn't go. Very surprised. But then, yeah, you could trail. And then, yeah, this is where price is right now. That's your entire 10 a.m. candle, just a massive expansion candle where you caught the high and you're inside the wick. You enter inside the wick and then you just catch this entire move. Why didn't I take this? I actually plotted it, placed the order, but then removed it. Just trying to be safe. I was already in these two positions. And at the same time, I had already taken a trade on oil. This trade. And I just really did not want to over leverage myself and keep pushing my luck. I had also taken a couple of trades on gold and those were fine. But yeah, that would be just over leveraging. But this was just a banger, just a beautiful, you know, 554 point trade, 5.7 R so far, and with the first partial at 200 points and potentially going to 7R to 700 points. Just a beautiful, beautiful trade. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll be more than glad to answer them. Have a good day.